Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today obviously we're doing something with the hair because I have my hair up. Today we are finally trying the ApHogee 2-step protein treatment. And yeah, I'm excited. Yeah, so let's talk about it. The 2-step protein treatment is more powerful and longer lasting than other salon or retail products. You guys know I'm trying to get my curls back and just trying all this different stuff, which is interesting to say the least. All right, this unique treatment is formulated with magnesium and modified proteins, which fuse into the hair with the application of heat. The result is that breakage is drastically reduced. During the process, ApHogee treatment hardens into the hair, dramatic evidence that something special is occurring. Aww, I'm in love. For best results, a hooded dryer is required. After rinsing and moisturizing with ApHogee Balancing Moisturizer, clients are astounded with the results. It can help improve other salon services as well. This remedial process is highly recommended for hair that is too weak or fine to take a perm or relaxer. Use the week prior to service, is over bleached, will not color, breaks when combed or brushed, and is mushy when wet and brittle after drying. So yeah, it retails between $9.95 and then the bigger one up to $29.95, depending upon where you get it from. And I'm excited to try it actually. So let's talk about the Balancing Moisturizer. All right, so the Balancing Moisturizer contains ApHogee's exclusive Pro-Vitamin Complex, a blend of collagen amino acids, emollients, vitamin derivatives, and herbal extracts. Used separately, it helps protect styles in humidity and is recommended as a regimen for processed hair, dryness, and the ends of long hair. Apply on clean hair and shower and rinse to provide and seal in moisture, which is essential for the strength and elasticity of hair. Balancing moisture also a must use in all caps as step 2 following the 2-step protein treatment. And this retails between $6 and $10 for the big one. So let's get started, shall we? And hopefully my clip will stay. So after I use this, it says I need to use this on my wet hair after I wash this out. Apply liberally to damp hair after shampooing. Massage gently into hair and scalp. Wait 2 minutes, rinse thoroughly, dry and style. And use as needed, and always use immediately after this process to restore softness. So you can use this on its own too, based on what they're saying. But let's see how I apply this. Now, I did read some of the directions beforehand, and it told me not to, if you have curly hair, do not comb this through your hair, scrunch it. So yeah, that is what we're going to do. I don't know how much of this I'm going to use, but it says to drench it, and it's a watery base. So let's take this down. I was trying to get my hair towel dried. There we go. And let's start at the back, shall we? And as you can see, this much is my new hair growth, and this is just a mess. A hot and a mess. So shake well, and then I'm gonna go for it. I'm just gonna use it right from the bottle. Oh, and they also said do not put it in a spray bottle. I'm not quite sure why, but that it can get clogged and stuff like that. So I'm like, oh, okay. Okay, this is getting everywhere, so I need to put a towel around. Bear with me. All right, guys, I don't have a hood blow dryer. What I'm gonna just use is my regular blow dryer. Just a regular blow dryer until it dries out. All right, guys, so it's all dry. Now, be mindful with this. It gets everywhere. As you can see on my neck, it's like, this gets just hard, but it still will stick to your neck a bit. That's why they probably say use a, cover dryer. But they also say you can use a hand dryer, but it should not be agitated while drying. So don't try and put the comb through it or anything of that nature, because my hair is hard. Crunchy, hard. And make sure if you're using a hand dryer to get really in between there to make sure that it's actually dry, because the heat is what activates everything. Now, they also say if you go under the hair dryer, do not use a plastic cap. Leave it uncovered, and do not try and brush your hair when it's dry. And now what we're going to do is we're going to re-wet and gently rinse with warm water. Remove all the dried protein, towel dry, and then I'm going to add this to my hair and scalp and leave on for 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and then proceed to next service or style as usual. For me, that's style as usual. So I'm going to hurry up and do that, and then I'm going to come back and tell you what my thoughts are. So I'll be right back. Guys, I'm back. So let's talk about ApHogee's two-step protein treatment. This smells terrible. Like, it smells, and it will smell up a room. You're like, but it's a protein treatment. It's not conditioner. It's not, anything that you're supposed to leave on your hair. It's supposed to, help your hair. So this right here, after using this, the moisturizer, the smell is like a fruity smell. Not bad, but not good either. After using this, after I put this in my hair and I went to the shower, I kind of had to pat the water on my hair in the shower so that it could loosen up all the hardness and all that stuff. And so my hair was hard, still a little bit rough after I rinsed this out. When I put this on, my hair got softer, but you know what it feels like? It feels like after I put on the Indian clay mask, my hair feels clean, a bit stripped a little bit, clean though. And yeah, did it make my curls come back? No, but it didn't claim to do that. I just wanted to see if it was gonna bounce up, like, oh my gosh, maybe this will help my curls. And I'm sure it did something on the inside, because my hair feels the way it does, but my hair doesn't feel super moisturized afterwards. I still feel like I need to condition after using this. So yeah, do I like it? Yeah, it's fine. Does my hair feel dramatically different and look dramatically different? No. Yeah, and it could be user error, or it could be my hair doesn't do well with large amounts of protein put in it. That could be possible too. So I think I'm glad I tried it, and I used just about almost this entire bottle, almost, maybe 3/4 of it. But will I finish it off? Yeah, I'll finish it off. I'll do it again just to see if continued use changes things. But yeah, so I'm sorry. Yeah, so I hope that helped you guys figure out if it's something you want to try or not. And especially if your hair will take protein well, or if it doesn't, depends on hair. Everybody's hair is different. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time, and have an amazing day. Bye.